3 reasons why you take pets to the vet. Hello, Peaches. Hope you're having a great day. Watch till the end. 3 reasons why. 1. Early detection of health issues. 2. Ensure pets are up to date on their vaccines. 3. To get professional advice that is suitable for your fur baby. Please like. In conclusion, taking your fur babies to the vet is essential for ensuring good health and a long life with you. Do you think it's not important to have your fur baby checked by a vet? Please leave a comment about your thoughts.
Staying 90 days, they may want to bring food, clothes, and accessories. E também a parte de roupas e outros acessórios.
Subscribe.